So moving on down, we've covered these three, we're going to move down to review visit. In some ways, this review visit is basically a single review as opposed to select visits, which gives you multiple visits at one time. So it's doing a similar thing that select visits is doing. You're reviewing a visit, but it just gives you really, in a way, less information. Of course, you can still hit the archive button right there. You can't see it in test because this test patient only has like a single visit, but for a patient with multiple visits, you can actually hit next and prior, and it will give you the same screen on multiple visits. It'll go through visit after visit after visit. More detail here. This is a lot of registration, billing stuff, stuff that we're normally not going to get into. On to the next button, notices. Notices is what is sometimes referred to as like a physician or provider notification. We have a flow sheet right now on the work list that's called physician communication. So if you were to get any critical labs, radiology findings, something that you needed to report to the doctor and document that you did report it, it goes in the physician communication flow sheet in the work list is where it currently goes. Let me just go ahead and pop over there. It is not in this patient's chart right now. This is kind of going out of the way a little bit, but I'll go ahead and add it. And go ahead and show you this too. Notice I put in PHYS. You have to make sure you're on the right thing. This is treatments, so I have to be on assessments. That's what it's technically categorized as, physician communication flow sheet. So this is normally where you would document communication with the physicians. So you click the Now column, click Document. Reason for information, new reason for information, add a reason, labs, and you fill all that information in. This back to the notices. This has the same function, but it's not currently used right now. It may be used in the future, so I figured I would show it to you just in case. So there's a notice trigger. Notice it says send notice, add, show inactives. So if you click send notice, it says recipient, sender, subject priority, put a message in there. Orders can be added. Order set can be added. Additional CCs, and then CCing the providers. But like I said, currently not used.